Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to connect Messenger Lite to Facebook Lite or Facebook to Messenger, you've come to the right place. And to do it is really easy. Also, you need to know that Facebook and Messenger are already connected, and you need to do um, anything hard to do. All you need to do is just open Facebook, and you need to make sure that you're login to your account, and open Messenger and make sure that you're login to the same account. If you do it, Facebook will ask if you want to synchronize your messages, and that's all. Your messenger will be synchronized. And also, as you can see, if I will try to open messenger messages in Facebook, it will automatically redirect me to Facebook Messenger. So that is how simply it is. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.